Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the brand new update from Instagram called Live Rooms. So in Live Rooms you can go live and invite 3 different people to join you in the same room, so making it 4 people in the room, and the 3 other people you invited can also share the experience with their own audience or their followers at the same time. So this is a bit different from the normal one-on-one experience where you can invite just one person into the live session. So let me show you how to use the new Instagram Live Rooms, how to create a live room, and how to invite someone into the live room, and show you what the other person sees by using 2 devices for this Live Rooms tutorial. So here we have 2 different accounts on 2 different devices. So let's say we want to create the Instagram Live Rooms on this first device. From here you can just swipe to the right, and then if you're not on the Lives tab or Live section, you can head over to the bottom and scroll through the options there until you find Live. And then once you find Live, the first thing you want to do before going live is to hit the icon at the middle left corner of the screen. This helps you to add a title to your live rooms. So I'll just call this Instagram Tutorials. And then once you're okay with the name, you click Add Title. Now to go live, all you have to do is just click on the icon at the bottom of the screen, and then it's going to check your connection and then go live. And you notice the other phone just got a notification that my account is live now. So it's very important that both accounts are following each other. So how do you invite an account or another account to join your live rooms once you're live? You can head over to the icon here, the camera looking icon, and then click on it. And then once you click on it here, you see the option of adding or inviting another account to join you. Just head to the top of the screen and click the search icon, and then search for the person you'd like to join you in the live rooms. And then once you find the person you want to join you in the live rooms, just tap on the name of the person to select the person and then hit invite. So now you can see a request show up on the other account. So I can just tap on this here and select join room. So let's say I cancel out of this or I reject the offer. And then once you do that, immediately the other person gets a notification telling him that you rejected the offer. So you can do this in another way. Let's say someone sent you a request, and before you could accept to join the live rooms, the notification went away. So to easily join the live room of the person again, if you look at the top part of Instagram where you have the stories section, you should be able to find the person live at the top of your screen where the stories show. But if you don't find the live room showing up there for you, and you try to refresh the page but you still don't find the live room of the person, just head over to your home page, and then once you're on your home page, go to the people you are following, and then search for the person you would like to join the live room of. Once you find the person, just select the person, and then on the home page of the person, you should notice that the person is live by looking at the icon at the top left corner of the screen. So you can easily click on the person's live rooms there. And then once you click on the live room to join, the person will be indicated that you have joined his live room. From here, just go ahead and click on request. And then once you do that, you select send request. And then the other person should get a message telling him that he has a request to join his live room. So you can just click on view here. And then you can decide to go live with the person that sent you the request. And then once you do that, the person should show up on your screen, and then you should have a video at the top and another one at the bottom if it's just both of you. But if you have up to 4 people in the live room, then it will be divided or split into 4 different parts or sections, so 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So don't forget, the audience of the people that join the live room will be able to also join the live session which you guys are doing at the moment. So if you want to exit a live room, just head over to the top right corner of the page and then click on the X button there, and then you can click on leave. So it's the same process for the person that started the live rooms. Just head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the X icon to exit the live rooms. But one additional option you have is that once the live room is over, you have the possibility of sharing, downloading or deleting the live room session. But for this example tutorial, let's just delete it for now. So if you've ever used Instagram Live before, you'll notice that it is similar, just that now you can have up to 4 people in one room. So you can invite more people to join the room, or people can request to join you in your live room. And make sure you are aware that once someone joins a live room, that the audience from the person can also view and take part in the live room sessions. And this is a very great way to get more exposure and collaboration for your Instagram account, to grow your followings and activities or engagement on your Instagram account. And if you've ever heard of Clubhouse, which is an audio-based only application or social media application, you notice that this is similar to Clubhouse, as Instagram is trying to bring out something that can compete or challenge Clubhouse's new audio-based social media application. So I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for social media tutorials, as I post lots of videos and helpful tutorials on this channel every single day. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.